Welcome to our presentation on setting up a DAX cluster for DynamoDB caching. We'll walk you through the steps to enhance your database performance using Amazon's DynamoDB Accelerator, a powerful in-memory caching solution. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. DynamoDB Accelerator, or DAX, offers fast in-memory performance for your DynamoDB tables. It reduces response times for read-heavy workloads, making it ideal for applications needing ultra-low latency, like gaming and financial services. Before setting up a DAX cluster, ensure you have an AWS account, an existing DynamoDB table, and access to the AWS CLI or Management Console. These are essential prerequisites for the setup process. To create a DAX cluster, sign in to the AWS Management Console and navigate to the DynamoDB console. Open the DAX console and click on Create Cluster to begin configuring your cluster settings. When configuring your DAX cluster, provide a name, choose a node type, and start with 3 nodes for high availability. Ensure you have an IAM role with the necessary permissions for your cluster. After creating your DAX cluster, configure your application to use it by installing the DAX Client SDK. Modify your code to perform read operations using the DAX Client instead of the DynamoDB client. Monitor your DAX cluster's performance using CloudWatch. Test query latency before and after DAX integration to observe improvements. Follow best practices like node scaling and security measures for optimal performance. By setting up a DAX cluster, you can significantly boost your DynamoDB table performance. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more AWS tips to optimize your application performance and infrastructure.